I'm just going to quickly show you how to change the duration of clips, of all the multiple clips in one go. So I have already grouped this 7 clips. I did this by selecting all these clips and then pressing Command G on my keyboard, and the group forms. Okay, the next step I'm going to show you right now is I'm going to select all these clips. I'm going to press shift and click them. Everything is selected, and then next I'm going to press Ctrl plus D, and then I get the access to change the duration from here. I'm going to press next is 0 to make the slate go blank. Then I'm going to press 1. I want the clips to turn into 1 second. I'm going to press 0. I'm going to press 0 again, so the 1 comes to this bracket. It's already here, and now I'm going to press enter on my keyboard to apply my changes, and you see the clips have changed and they're all into 1 second. Okay, so this is a short tutorial. I'll show you how to do this in another way also. Okay guys, so now I'm going to show you another way to do this. I'm going to first break apart this clip. I'm going to press Apple Shift G. Okay, and then I'm going to select them all again, and I'm going to press right click, and then I'm going to do override to primary storyline. It all will settle down. And now I'm going to select all of this, and then I'm going to press Ctrl D. I'm going to press 0 for the blank, and now I'm going to press 1 again, 0 again, 0 again, and the 1 is here. And now I'm going to press enter. Now I'm going to bring them up. I'm going to press right click, lift from storyline, and you see that same thing has been performed. Okay, so if you're editing on top of it, this is how it will be. If you're editing inside, it's going to be the second way. So yeah, this is all I have to share in this tutorial. So thank you so much. Please follow me on Instagram and subscribe if you're watching on YouTube. So thank you, and see you guys soon.